for a different purpose. Akukho wrong then. Khona isikhathi sethu uyazi ngengizwe abantu kuma matters are important, critical, but i-concentration yabantu these days is very slow. It's very low nje. 5 minutes ifana ubusuyiqedile into ofuna ukuyisho. Ngithi mina ha.
Isikhathi se-warm up.
Hayibo. You see ukuthi the way you have set to learn is at our inconvenience. Yabo. So when we teach, we have to implore singcengele to this generation, they need to bear with us. Where we have to read books, you can't say the content page is enough for me. I need a summary. Then what is the entire book for? So ngizama ukubeka lonto ukuthi those are one of the reasons why we are not motivational speakers.
Yeah.
Because motivational speakers inspire. They have to motivate you from within. They need to tell you why. Tina, we tell you what, how, when, how, who. So to cover that scope, time, therefore, is required. So when we're speaking about serving a corporate vision, Babu Gumbi, we're not talking about a person just catching fire. You are creating a system. Systems for in fact. So when we address such daily